In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a background to text in Canva. If you've ever wanted your text to stand out on your designs, a good background can make all the difference. Let's dive in and get started. First, open up your browser and head over to Canva's website. Canva is a user-friendly design tool that's perfect for beginners and professionals alike, known for its versatility in creating stunning visual content. Once you're there, you'll be greeted with the homepage. If you're already a member, just click on Continue to proceed. This will quickly guide you to the next step in setting up your design. If you're not logged in yet, you might need to sign in with your Google account, so select which Google account you'd like to use. Don't worry if you don't see this right away. It's just for ensuring you have access to all your saved designs. Ensure you're using the correct account and you'll be taken right into Canva. After logging in or signing up, open your project that contains the text you want to edit. If you're starting fresh, create a new design and add some text that you'd like to enhance with a background. Selecting the project might take a few seconds, so be patient as it loads up. Now click on the text you've chosen to work with. It's crucial here that you click directly on the text element so that the editing options become available. The editing tools in Canva are quite intuitive and offer a wide range of possibilities. With your text selected, look for the toolbar at the top and click on Effects. This will reveal a whole menu of creative effects you can apply to your text. Among these options, you'll find our focus for today, the background effect. Once you click on Select Background, you'll immediately notice a background pop up behind your text. It's as simple as that. This instantly helps your text to pop and makes it more readable over busy images. But don't stop there. You can refine the look further. One of the customizable options is roundness. Adjusting the roundness allows you to decide how soft or sharp the background edges should be. It's a small tweak, but can vastly change the aesthetic appeal. Next, play around with the spread slider. This determines how much the background extends beyond the text. A larger spread gives a more pronounced look, while a tighter spread can keep things subtle. Finally, adjusting the transparency can give your background a unique look, letting it blend well with the overall design without overwhelming it. Once you're satisfied with all the settings and the appearance of your text, that's it. You're done. Your text is now beautifully accented with a customized background, adding a professional touch to your Canva project. Remember, these options can be played with as much as you like, so feel free to experiment until it looks just right.